Hi everyone, today we are going to be lubricating the gears on the inside of a wheel module for a Roborock Q Revo. Please see my video for replacing a Roborock wheel module to know how to access it and how to put it back together. My wheel module is actually rather noisy and I was hoping to quiet it down by greasing the gear train inside. These are plastic gears, so I will be using some PTFE, also known as Teflon lubricant. Very gently move it straight up. Here are our gears. Okay, just practice applying some of this first to make sure you don't put too much on. Should be used very sparingly, just hardly a little bit. Don't want to goop it. Rotate the wheel to get it in everywhere. I'll see if that helps. Okay, if you have any excess, just kind of dab it a little bit with a paper towel. Let's put our lid back on, again, very gently. Okay, there you have it. It's ready to go. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thank you.